There is one new
issued a
special marine
marine
warning.
for the Buzzards Bay, Nantucket Sound, Vineyard Sound, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Buzzards Bay approaching Woods Hole, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Vineyard Sound around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lambert's Cove around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Vineyard Haven Harbor around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.